Today we are going to learn structure of atom. In earlier class you studied different types of atomic structure. You know Dalton's atomic theory. Student, Dalton atomic theory was able to explain law of chemical combination, but it will be a fail to explain properties of matter like generate electricity. You know that atom consists of three types of subatomic particles like electron, proton and neutron. Student, proton and neutron together we can say it's a nucleon, and electron are present in the extra nuclear part of an atom. Suppose this is the structure of atom, then center it is called a nucleus. This nucleus consists of proton and neutron, and electron are revolved to the nucleus. Now we are discuss about properties of subatomic particles. Here we show properties of subatomic particles. So student, it is the symbol electron, proton and neutron. This is the absolute charge minus 1.0 minus 1.6022 into 10 raised to minus 19. इलेक्ट्रॉन पे चार्ज प्लस 1.6 समथिंग, प्रोटॉन चार्ज एंड न्यूट्रॉन का चार्ज कैसा है 0. रिलेटिव चार्ज अगर हम बात करें तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का -1, प्रोटॉन +1 एंड न्यूट्रॉन 0. सिंबल फॉर चार्ज -e +e. मास 9.1 समथिंग, 1.6 समथिंग, 1.6. अगर हम मास पर यूनिट की बात करें तो यहाँ पे 0.00054 जिसको हम अप्रोक्सीमेट कह रहे हैं 0 या नेग्लेजिबल. मास प्रोटॉन का ऑलमोस्ट 1 यूनिट, मास ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन भी कैसा है हमारा 1 यूनिट. ओके, अब हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे इन शॉर्ट डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो स्टूडेंट, इन 1897 J.J. Thomson, while studying discharge tube phenomena, found a stream of tiny particles. These rays produced from the cathode of a discharge tube move towards an anode in straight line are called cathode ray, and they consist of negative charge particles called electron. They are 1837 times lighter than a hydrogen atom and present in all the atoms. So this is the discovery of electron. Now we are discuss about discovery of proton. So student, you know or you already learned the Rutherford alpha scattering experiment. In this experiment, Rutherford take a gold foil and few alpha particles, and you know that some observations are few alpha particle bounce back. From this is inferred the presence of massive and positively charged nucleus inside the atom. In this phenomena, Rutherford found that fast moving alpha particle transmutated nitrogen into oxygen with simultaneously liberation of proton or hydrogen. On the basis of Rutherford proposed that hydrogen nucleus must be contained inside of nuclei of all the elements. Hence the hydrogen nucleus was renamed as proton, और इस तरह से प्रोटॉन की डिस्कवरी हुई. नेक्स्ट है डिस्कवरी ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन. तो स्टूडेंट, जेम्स चैडविक ने इन 1932 में न्यूट्रॉन की डिस्कवरी की. ही ऑब्जर्व दैट द एमिशन ऑफ हाई वेलोसिटी unidentified particles did not have an electric charge but have a mass almost the same as that of proton. The neutral particle was named as neutron and denoted by n. Okay, n, zero charge, mass is almost equal to the proton.